Is Doolin Village worth visiting? Have you ever wondered if Doolin Village is a must-see on your Irish travel itinerary? Let's take a closer look at what makes this charming village special. Doolin Village is a small fishing village located on the west coast of Ireland. It is known for its vibrant traditional Irish music scene, making it a perfect spot for music lovers. The lively pubs here host regular music sessions, allowing visitors to experience authentic Irish folk music in a cozy atmosphere. But the appeal of Doolin goes beyond music. This village serves as a gateway to some of Ireland's most iconic natural attractions. Just a short distance away are the Cliffs of Moher, which are among the most famous sights in the country. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Aran Islands from the cliffs. For a unique experience, you can take a boat cruise from Doolin Pier. This cruise offers a different perspective of the cliffs and allows you to appreciate their grandeur from the water. Another highlight near Doolin is Doolin Cave. This cave features one of Europe's longest free-hanging stalactites. Guided tours are available, providing fascinating details about the geological history of the area. Keep in mind that the cave tour involves descending 125 stairs and navigating some low passages, so a moderate level of physical ability is required. If you enjoy hiking, you will find plenty of opportunities in the nearby Burren National Park. This unique landscape is home to diverse flora and fauna, making it a great spot for nature enthusiasts. You can also visit the Pulnabraon Dolmen, an ancient megalithic tomb that offers a glimpse into Ireland's prehistoric heritage. For practical travel planning, Doolin is a convenient base for excursions to the Aran Islands. The village has ferry services that make it easy to visit these beautiful islands. The picturesque setting of Doolin is enhanced by the site of Donegal Castle and the surrounding scenic views, including the Ale River and ancient burial mounds. In summary, Doolin Village is definitely worth visiting. It offers a rich experience that combines traditional music, stunning coastal scenery, and accessible natural wonders. Whether you are looking for outdoor adventures or a taste of Irish culture, Doolin has something for everyone.